It's helped a lot. It's been really nice to get to see a real sort of plant, and I guess all the devices that you would see in a real industrial plant. It's also been really nice to be able to read and understand P&IDs with the help of people who are professionally doing that. I had never really read a P&ID, so it's helped a lot to be able to do that with a real plant.
I would say that this experience is unlike any other experience we could get anywhere else. It gives you a certain level of experience. In regards to the pilot plant, you very rarely have the opportunity to see and interact and actually work on a pilot plant before you go straight into the workforce. So that's been one of the greatest experiences for me, and I think that it'll really pay off in the long run in the future. When I'm getting a job, I'll be able to understand more about the pilot plants, or I'll have a better background, which will ultimately help me out in the future.
I think the pilot plant has helped just me able to, in a way, see what a real job in a plant would be like. They always kind of tell you, a couple of years out of school, maybe chemical engineers are going to be doing work in a plant, and that's something that I didn't really know what that was going to encapsulate. Now I definitely get a better picture of what that is.
It provides real-world experience because going in the first day, for example, the pilot plant, I was nervous because it seems overwhelming, but once you take the time to learn the area, then you get more comfortable, and once I see that in the real world, I'm going to be more comfortable if I were in a plant.
It's definitely showed me I want to do chemical engineering. Like, seeing this plant has taught me this is something I enjoy doing as my future. Definitely, I loved this experience. It was really interesting.
I think that it's given me a lot of opportunity for group work with lots of different groups. We have a 14-person group on the pilot plant, and we had a 4-person group for rig building, 3 people for lab. So I've gotten the opportunity to work with lots of different types of people and in many different environments.
I never thought I would get to the point where I would understand every lever that needs to be closed and the pump power and everything. It all comes together. And I remember looking at videos when I was a sophomore at Notre Dame and thinking, oh, I have to be in that power plant, I'm not going to know what's going on at all. But I finally do, and it's really cool.
I think one thing that has definitely helped us for our futures is the fact that all the work that we've done here has been in groups or teams. And so far at school, we haven't done a lot of group projects where we have to write formal reports and deliver and defend our stance and findings. So that's been really helpful because I anticipate in the futures we'll have to do that a lot.